Welcome back to Easy Robotech. In today's video, we are starting a complete series on the Salto Access Control system. This series will guide you through downloading, installing, configuring, and commissioning the entire system right from scratch. Let's jump straight into it. To begin, open any web browser and search for Salto software. Once you've found the official site, head over to the Download Center and click on the Download Space option. This will redirect you to the registration portal. Now, it's time to register your software. You'll need to fill out details like your first and last name, company name, email address, and set a password. After confirming the password, enter your address, city, and other required details. Scroll down to select your installation type, whether it's for agriculture, hotel, or other options. If you want to try the demo version, you can select demo software from the list. Next, choose the card technology you'll be using, such as MyFair or HID iClass. If you've already purchased a license, enter the serial number provided by Salto. In case you don't have a license yet, I've included a link in the description where you can download the software without it. After that, finish filling out the rest of the form, including details like the number of doors and language selection. Then click Send to complete the registration. Once you submit the form, you'll see a message thanking you for registering with Salto. Shortly after, you'll receive an email to verify your account. Let's go ahead and open that email. As you can see, I've received the validation email from saltosystems.com. Click on the link provided to verify your account, and you're all set. Now, head back to the Salto portal and log in with the credentials you just created. After logging in, you'll find various versions of the Salto software available for download. Depending on your license, you'll see a checkmark next to the software version you're eligible for. For instance, if you see a cross mark, it means your license doesn't cover that particular version. Scroll down to the software version you need and click Download. Once you click the Download button, a pop-up will appear with the terms and conditions. Scroll down and accept them to begin the download. Depending on your internet speed, the download will take some time, so I'll speed it up here. After the download completes, navigate to the download location, extract the files, and open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find the setup file for Salto Access Space. Right-click on the setup file and select Run as Administrator. The installation wizard will now appear on your screen. Click Next to start the installation, accept the license agreement, and choose your destination folder. You can either browse to select a different folder or keep the default location, which I recommend. Click Next to start the installation. This process will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Once the installation is done, the Configure Data Backend wizard will appear. Next, you'll be asked to configure the SQL database. You have three options here. Install a new SQL server, use an existing SQL server, or prepare for future migration. Here's an important tip. If you plan to migrate the system later, ensure you're using an older SQL version for now. For example, I'm installing this on my personal laptop and may migrate it to a project system later. So I've selected SQL 2019 for now. This will allow me to migrate to SQL 2022 when I change systems. Always remember that Salto systems don't support migrations from the same version of SQL, it should always be from a lower to a higher version. Now, I'll select the second option. Use existing SQL to upgrade an existing database or create a new one. Then click Next. Here, you'll have two options: create a brand new database or upgrade an existing database. In this video, we'll create a new database, and in an upcoming video, we'll cover how to migrate or upgrade an existing one. Click Next to proceed in the Configure Database wizard. Select your database instance from drop-down list. Enter the username and password and then click Next. It will take a few moments to create the database. Once the database is created, the Activate Software wizard will appear. To activate the software license, you can use the same username, password, and serial number from earlier in the video. If you try to activate the software in this wizard, you may encounter an error, as shown on the screen. So let's skip this step for now. However, I'll skip that step for now and show you an easier way to license the software in a bit. Once you skip that, the installation will be completed. After the installation is complete, you will see a message indicating that ProAccess Space is running, but activation is required to make the software fully functional. To proceed, click the image that appears in the center of the installation wizard. This will redirect you to the web user interface of the Salto Access Control software. Wait for the page to load fully, then proceed with activating the license to enable the software. You'll have two options: automatic activation and manual activation. Let's start with the manual activation. First, click on Manual Activation, then copy the installation identifier by clicking the copy icon. Next, log in to the Salto download portal where we registered and downloaded the software. To do this, open a new tab, navigate to the website, and log into the portal. Scroll down and click Request New Activation Key, then paste the copied installation identifier and click License Request. Wait for the license file to download, then return to the Salto software and paste the file. Then click Activate to complete the manual activation. If you have an internet connection, you can also activate the license through the automatic activation option. To do this, click on Automatic, then enter the username, password, and activation serial number that we used earlier in the video to register in the download portal. Once the information is entered, click Activate. When the license is successfully activated, a pop-up will appear confirming update license operation completed successfully. Click OK to continue. After clicking OK, a warning will appear indicating that you must restart the Salto Space service to apply the license. To do this, close the web browser, open Windows Services by searching in the taskbar. Locate the Salto Access Space service and restart it from the left side of the screen. Once the service is restarted, go back to the Salto web interface and reload the page. When it reloads, you'll see the welcome screen and a prompt to set the administrator password. Enter the password twice, then click Enter. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded, installed, and licensed the Salto Access Control software. In the next video, we'll cover how to configure doors, access levels, and other important features of the Salto Access Control system. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you successfully download, install, and activate the Salto Access Control software. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Easy Robotech for more tech tutorials like this one. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified when we release the next video, where we'll dive into configuring doors, access levels, and other key features in Salto. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.